gangsters. Today, my bike has arrived. And since we made a video about Mark and his bike, and mine is a different model from the same company, it just seemed right that I try to open the box on camera. It has a lot of staples. I don't know if I'll be able to open it. So here we go. I already cut the tape. It's a great day to have a great day. What a slogan. Oh, I only cut some of the tape. I need my knife. Okay, let's see here. I see handlebars and a seat, and it's very well packed. And I must mention, because I've heard other people mention it, all of the stuff that they pack in here and with your bike, this is all recyclable, easily recyclable. There's not a lot of plastic in here. This doesn't say what's in it, but I suspect that my battery wellwart thing is in here. And then I have lots of parts and pieces. And I know that Mark pulled his bike out. He drug it out. The fenders are on mine. We weren't sure if the fenders would be already installed when my bike got here. I'm going to see. The bike by itself with the battery weighs 50 pounds. I think I can pick it up, but I don't know. So I can pick it up, but I can't get it out of the box. So we're going to do it the other way. Let me do it the slow and tedious way. Or not. Okay, so their cardboard is super strong. I don't think they wanted me to put this on until I unfold the bike. Because if I do this, it's going to be in the wrong place. So to unfold it, I need to leave that right there for a moment. Here's the useless Velcro. Line up the front flat parts. Lots of warnings that I need to read. There's more warnings than your bike had. And this one is about making sure the seat and the seat post are properly positioned before each ride. This one is about the battery. I'll start there. Oh, look, more warnings. This is the front wheel warning tag. Ensure the front axle nuts are properly installed. We'll leave that there for the moment. Pretty bike. They don't work. Maybe they would work on something else. I think it's undone. Let's open the mystery box. First, we get my vintage training and development conference pocket knife out. And in my special box, I have a charger, and I have a folding lock, just like Mr. Mark has, with a set of keys and some other stuff. This, probably the only place to put it is here. I don't know if we would want to put it there. It would be hard to put in and out. And then I have a replacement parts bag. It looks like they gave me an extra cable with red ends on it. Don't know what this is about. And that's it. We're at the bottom.